you fishing?
Okay. Oh yes, I'm ice fishing, my friend.
Oh, really?
It's going to be a slaughter. I
Oh,
got 50 grand, and those guys are going to be scrambling to get it. And I'm going to harass them in every way I can. They'll be walking like that, and I'll be like that.
what is this the bait you're using?
Is this what?
Is this the bait?
Oh yeah, it's bait. It's bait. I got the tackle box in case they take the bait. You know, I'll put on another set of hooks, and we'll go back to it.
Okay,